This error means your verb doesn't match the subject of your sentence. Check to see what pronoun you're using. Make sure the verb ending matches. You need to check that your verb matches your pronoun or the subject of the sentence. If you are writing about yourself in the present tense, generally, the verb will end in an O or a Y. If you're writing about someone else, he or she, the verb will usually end in an A or an E. Make sure your verb ending matches the pronoun. If you've moved past using the present tense, check your handouts to verify which ending you need. This means you have two verbs next to each other, and one of them isn't conjugated correctly, probably the second one. The general rule is that the first verb is conjugated, but the second isn't. For example, I want to talk would be quiero hablar. Or if you have three verbs, like in the sentence, I want to swim and run later, the rule will be the same. Conjugate the first word, but not the other two. Quiero nadar y correr más tarde. You have the word para with a verb after it. If para can be translated as in order to, then the verb that follows isn't conjugated. Like in the sentence, I eat to live, or I eat in order to live, como para vivir. Most likely, you were trying to write that someone or yourself likes something. Remember, you will end up writing two words for this. And keep in mind, it translates more accurately as it is pleasing. So if you have more than one object, remember to put an in at the end of the word. Me gusta el perro. Me gustan los perros. You either used ser instead of estar or estar instead of ser, or possibly tener. You used the wrong word. Remember, ser is used for physical descriptions and for most things that will be the same 12 hours from now. Estar is used for emotions and for most things that will be different 12 hours from now. Tener is for ages and things your body feels like thirst or hunger.
Created using Powtoon.